I'm Chad from Chad DIY, and today's project we're doing a custom tool wall. So let's get started.
I start by making all my marks on the 4x8 sheet of plywood. I'm doing 2x4 foot sections on each end and a 4x4 foot section right in the center. All these measurements can be customized to your own needs. Next, I'll go along and pre-drill a bunch of holes. I'll add some glue all around the edge, and then I can attach the 1x6 pine boards. I can use a clamp to temporarily hold things in place while I screw everything down. Now I can cut some more boards to length on the miter saw. I'll go around repeating the process of adding glue and adding screws. Brad nails help to hold everything in place as I go along. And I'll keep continuing to cut more boards on the miter saw. Once I have the main base done, I can start taking apart the old pegboard. Now I can muscle the 4x8 tool wall into place. I have some wood blocks set up so I can get the wall at the same height. I can now start screwing it into place. I have the locations of all the studs marked out on the drywall, so I'm lining up the screws with that. Next I can start working on the cedar boards. The cedar came off my land and I used a chainsaw mill to cut the boards. I'll now use my circular saw to make one straight edge. Then I can use that straight edge and run it through my table saw to make even width strips. I'll flip the board over and then I can make different thicknesses out of the boards. I can now start gluing and nailing all the strips together. The different thicknesses give it a nice custom look. I'll just keep working my way right up the wall. I did have to cut the top strips on the table saw so they are the right width. Now I can step back and look at the finished product.
Here's the finished tool wall, all loaded up with tools. I loved how it turned out. I was looking more for aesthetics in the background, and I know pegboard might be a little bit more functional, but for a big blank wall like this, I loved how it turned out. So if you have any questions on this project, leave them in the comment section below, and as always, please subscribe. Thanks.